Ooh wee, this is what I have been waiting for. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and man am I excited about this box right here. This is a box from a company called Trulocal. Now let me tell you the quick story on how I came about to get this. The guys from Trulocal reached out to me and said, hey Keto King, we think you and your viewers would absolutely love Trulocal's products, and in fact they got in touch with me because some of you viewers had been mentioning my channel's name to Trulocal, so thank you guys for that. So I took a good look into Trulocal and loved everything I read about them, love what they stand for, what their products are, and some truly genuine guys there. So while I open this box, let me give you a bit of background here. So Trulocal is a company that connects you to high-end, locally sourced meats. Now these meat products get delivered right to your doorstep just like you saw. The great thing about these meats is that not only are they local and sustainable, but they are free from antibiotics and hormones. Can we get a hell yeah for that? So this means no more stopping at multiple grocery stores trying to find meat that checks off all of those must-haves. Alright, so as you can see in here, this is wonderfully packaged. We've got in here some dry ice so it stays frozen until you get home that day. You can actually put it in your freezer. So how ordering this meat works is you build your own box with the meat of your choice in it. It works on a point system, so a big box is 20 points and each meat is allocated a number of points until you fill your box with the products that you actually want. You then get to choose how often you want this box delivered. You can do 2 weeks, 3 weeks, every month, or every 6 weeks. The greatest thing about this is that not only can you change the contents of your box each month, but there's absolutely no commitment period. You can cancel, you can pause or skip a delivery at absolutely any time. No charges, no commitment whatsoever. I truly appreciate that. So this allows you to try it out risk-free. The nice thing is the guys at Trulocal let me go through the process of actually ordering it myself, so I got the true user experience that I could relay to you. So the first products we have here is the top sirloin steaks I ordered. What I absolutely love about this is that it actually has the name of the company where this is sourced from. So this was sourced from Two Rivers. It's got the company website on the back there, so you know where you're getting it and that it's actually a local product. I'm obviously in BC here in Canada, BC born and grazed. So these are the top sirloin cuts here. Got 3 of these bad boys. And it says here in the back, Two Rivers Specialty Meats offers locally and naturally raised meat that contacts farmers who care about animals with people who care about food. Wow, and look at these. My goodness. Now we got some beef burgers, again from Two Rivers. Now being a keto channel, I specifically asked these guys at Trulocal, hey, do you have the macros for all your meats? And yes, they absolutely do. On their websites, they've got the macros for every single one of these meats for you to look at. But I specifically inquired into the types of products that we normally as low carbers can't really eat because they typically have too many carbohydrates in, things like burgers, sausages, etc. So take a look at the macros for these burgers, and I'm going to put them on your screen now. Pretty ridiculous. It's hard to find beef burgers that are this low carb, and take a look at these macros here. Really, you can't get better than this for a keto lifestyle. That is one of the massive selling points to me about this company. Here's the second pack of these burgers, another 4 patties, making a total of 8 patties. Alright, and because I'm super excited about these ones, we have 100% beef smoky. This one is listed as the 100% grass-fed beef sausage. Now again, guys, these have just got the purest of ingredients in here. It says no celery extract ever, no sugar added, no preservatives. Most of their products are made without nitrite or nitrate, non-certified, gluten-free, lactose-free, and no MSG. That's the type of stuff I'm looking for in my sausages. And again guys, this is the winner right here. This is the ticket. So it says per 40 grams of this sausage, there's 0 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, 5 protein, 4 fat, and 50 calories. So each of these sausages is probably double those macros, 100 calories, 8 grams of fat, still 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 10 grams of protein per sausage. I know you guys all know how difficult it is to find low carb sausages, and the 0 carb sausage is always going to be a winner in my household, that's for sure. So got 2 of these guys, and we got a pair of no hormones fed pork chops. These look absolutely delicious. Not much more I can say about that without tasting it. Then I've got some stewing beef to make a stew or a crock pot recipe. This would be amazing. That's what I had in mind when I ordered this. I want to make a nice crock pot recipe with this meat in it. So keep an eye out for that to come. Next I've got a packet of grass-fed beef bone broth. Now how good is this going to be for use in my keto kitchen? I'm really excited about that. I've always used just the cheapest carton ones I can find in store, but this I'm pretty sure is going to be the real deal. Grass-fed beef bone broth. It's a really nice big size, 700 mils, 24 ounce packet. Oh man, this box never ends. So now we've got frozen spot prawn tails. We've got a pound of these spot prawns. Again, hard to see exactly what they look like, but they look like a decent size as well if you can look from the side. And then look at this beast. I was excited about this when I saw this as an option. This is a cross rib roast, 3.5 pounds of it. Man, I'm definitely gonna make a recipe with this on the channel. Not sure how to cook a cross rib roast, but I'll find a good recipe and I'll put that on my channel for you guys. Cannot wait to eat this. Looks like a wonderful piece of meat. And then last but absolutely not least, oh my fingers are dying here, is our peppered bacon from Hopcot Premium Meats. Again showing that it's locally sourced. And look at this peppered bacon, my goodness. I hope you can see how thick those pieces of bacon are from that angle. And you've got that beautiful peppered edge. Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. They've got multiple varieties of bacon on their website, all different flavors and cuts and sizes. So definitely go check that out. Pretty sure this is gonna be hit with me and any of you low carbers out there. So when picking your boxes, you have 2 options. There's a small box and there's a regular size box. This is the regular size box and this is what I chose and what I could get with my choices. Again, to go over what we have is we have 3 top sirloin steaks, 1, 2, 3 over there. We've got 8 burger patties there. 0 carbs for these burger patties, which is unbelievable. We have the 2 pork steaks. We've got the stewing mince, perfect for a crock pot recipe or just a great hearty stew. We've then got that peppered bacon, which is probably one of my favorite things out of here. We then have the 1 pound of spot prawns. We have the real deal grass-fed beef bone broth at the back. We have the 6 100% grass-fed beef sausages or beef smokies, whatever you want to call them there. And then we have this beast over here, this 3.5 pound cross rib roast. All of this in just your one regular box from Trulocal.ca. I think it's pretty good value. Obviously the final judgment is going to be in the taste, and that's going to come in a few videos coming up for you guys. I'll find some awesome recipes and incorporate these delicious meats into them and let you know what I think about them. And obviously I told the guys at Trulocal I want to show some love to my viewers, so they hooked you up. If you use the link below and use the discount code that appears on your screen right here, you guys will get $20 off your next order. So simply click on the link in the description box below, enter in the code, and Bob's your uncle, you got $20 off to try these great meats from Trulocal.ca. Currently, Trulocal delivers to Ontario, Alberta, and British Columbia in Canada. Sorry to my US viewers, they don't deliver there right now. With the way this company is rapidly growing through Canada, I'm pretty sure they're going to be expanding into the US in no time, and I'll keep you guys updated on that one. Look guys, I get approached by a ton of product makers asking me to promote their products on my channel. Honestly, I turn down 95% of those requests because I don't want to bombard you with useless products that aren't going to be of value to you. I only select the ones that I truly feel would be products I would use in my household And of course, I always insist that the companies help you out with a discount code and making sure you get a great deal too. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I did it live. I wanted to have the experience with you, and I'm looking forward to some great recipes I can make with these amazing meats. Links to everything I talked about in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Like the video, comment down below, and as always, keep it keto. Yeah, take two. Woo-wee! Fingers. Then I've got some stewed beef. It does say ah. I honestly think I'm eating like freezer burn on my fingers. So, got two of these guys. Seriously, I think I'm taking one for the team here. Pretty certain I'm getting frostbite on my fingers.